Hi guys, it's Rina and this is the tutorial video of Hip by MAMAMOO. We went through the first chorus part last week in my K-pop workshop in Arizona. It was such a sexy and at the same time fun choreography to dance.
1, 2, 3, 4, head, shoulders, and throw.
So today we are gonna learn together. Please post your dance video with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my story. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna start from here. Open your legs shoulder width apart. Put your left hand on your abs. We're gonna make this pose and bring underneath of your chin. Here we go. And on 7, we're gonna tilt our neck to the left and at the same time take your right hand to the right. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you're gonna take both of your arms up and make circles and tap your abs twice. And we're gonna make circles outward and touch your knees. Here we go. So up, tap, circles, on. One more time. Up, tap, circles, knees. Your knees up, tap, and when you make circles on your arms, you're gonna put your knees together. And when you touch your knees, you're gonna open. Here we go. So up, tap, circles, up. Here we go. One more thing, you're gonna add your wave on your upper body. When you take your arms up, you're gonna start wave from the chest. And when you tap, you're gonna take your belly forward and bend your knees. You're gonna head down and up. Here we go. So if you see my body from the side, it's gonna be like this. Up, wave, tap, circles, up. Got it? Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, up, tap, circles, up. After this, you're gonna stand up immediately and put your weight on your left. You're gonna touch your head. Now, shift your weight to the right and touch your shoulders. And then now take your right foot up and switch. Here we go. When you switch your legs, you're gonna throw on your right hand. Here we go. So, down, up. Now, head, shoulders, ready, and throw. Yes? Up, tap, circles, up. Now, head, shoulders, and throw. Here we go. After this, we're gonna make circles in front of your chest twice. These arms, you're gonna make a fist and start with the left, forward, right, back to the chest. Left, forward, right, and chest, but smooth. Here we go, smooth. And each time when you make circles, you're gonna step on left, yes? Head, shoulders, and throw. Now circles, and you're gonna face to the right so that you can go knees in, out, in, out. Here we go, this move, your knees, close, open. That's it. You're just gonna slightly bend your knees. You're just gonna put your knees in, out, in, out. Your arms, left hand make a fist, extend your left arm. Your right hand, open your hand, you're just gonna flip it and tap your abs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. At the same time, knees in, out. Make sense? You're gonna start from the bottom and you're just gonna gradually stand up, in, out. Here we go. So, head, shoulders, and throw. Now, circles, and in, out. And again, you're gonna back to the first pose. You remember we did this pose? And then, tilt your neck, take your right hand to the right. Here we go. So, in, out, pose. Perfect. Alright, we're halfway. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, tap, circles, up. Now, head, shoulders, and throw. Circles, and in, out, pose. Here we go. After this, you're gonna step to the left and step to the right. This move, your legs to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. We're gonna add our heads as well. Head tilt to the left and up. Tilt to the right and up. That's it. Left, up, right, up. Shoulders as well. Right down and left down. Here we go. We're gonna slightly face to the left, face to the right. Just like this. Here we go. We're actually gonna do only twice. So tap, 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 pause. Cut. Now to the left, to the right. And then we're gonna, again, one more time, step to the right. But this time you're gonna bend your knees, put your hip to the right. You're gonna touch your head. Now shift to the left, touch your shoulders. And knees, touch your knees, and up. Here we go. This move, you're gonna slightly cross your arms, or cross your hands. Head, cross, shoulders, knees, and up. When you touch your knees, you're just gonna bend your knees and drop your hip down, straight back. You're not gonna lean forward, but straight your back. And when you stand up, not like this, but you're just gonna add wave. Here we go. Same thing, your chest, belly. Here we go. Be a little bit more sexy, okay? So tap, 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 to the left, to the right. Now head, shoulders, knees, up. Now we're gonna face forward. We're gonna add the chest isolation twice. Boom, boom, to the back, boom, boom. And then put your weight on the left. We're gonna make a pause again. We're gonna do 3 times total. And tilt your neck. Last one, we're just gonna punch, up, down. Here we go. From here, you're gonna take your right knee, but as soon as you punch on side, you're gonna switch. Yes? And then put your right arm up, your left foot down, and drop your arm. That's it. Easy, right? Okay, so we're gonna start from here. 5, 6, to the left. 1, 2, 3. Now touch your head, shoulders, knees, up. Boom, boom, pause, cut. Now punch, up, down. Here we go. From here, tap, 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 pause, cut. Now to the left, to the right. Now head, shoulders, knees, up. Boom, boom, pause, cut, punch, up, down. Perfect. All right, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, tap, tap, circles, up. Now head, shoulders, and throw, circles, circles, and in, out, pause, cut, to the left, to the right. Now head, shoulders, knees, up, boom, boom, pause, cut, punch, up, down. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna do one more time, but this time I'm just gonna keep counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for watching this video and dancing with me. If you want to learn any K-pop dance choreographies in person, I have a weekly K-pop dance workshop in Arizona on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. So if you are living here or if you have any opportunities to come over here, please feel free to join this workshop. It's really fun and you can make lots of friends who also love dancing and love K-pop. Alright. Also, I'm planning to host K-pop dance workshop not only in Arizona but also other states or any other countries. So if you are watching this video and if you have any suggestions, please leave some comments and let's make it happen. Alright, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!